Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Visual Studio Code to clone a project to your hard disk. And cloning is downloading it and to be able to use it with the version control. And this is the project we're going to use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it. This takes us to the GitHub repository. And this thing, the URL, we copy paste. Ctrl C or your copy. And then we start Visual Studio and we click Clone Git Repo. Then it asks us to provide a URL. Here we have it, we press enter. It asks us where do you want to clone it to. So I'm going to clone it to my home folder. Of course you can pick any place. I press enter. And now the repository is downloaded on my computer, cloned, and now I can work it. If I open it, then you can already see all the files that are there. Like the source files are here, and it has version control in it already. So you immediately can get starting to work with this project. With that, I have showed you how to clone a GitHub repository using Visual Studio Code, and I wish you a very good day. Bye!